Hello and welcome to 91 High Street right here in Blackstone. I'm absolutely excited. I love this property. I know you will too. If you love meticulously maintained homes, something for everyone, you're going to love this property. We've got sheds, we've got car accommodation, beautiful interior with fresh paint and fresh carpets. Oh, also, there's multiple entertaining areas. So for you and your family, you can party all night long. And I know your friends are going to be ultra envious of this property. Okay, I'm not easily impressed, but I'm absolutely impressed by this entertaining area. Beautiful cement bench tops, built-in fridges, built-in barbecues, and room to entertain all of your friends. This house is amazing though. There's so many things that you will love about it. If you'd like to book an inspection, please contact me. I can even do virtual inspections for you as well.